Good evening, everyone. Welcome to U.S. History. This video is just to show you how to access Globalyceum, because it's in Globalyceum that you'll be working through this course. My name is Michael Orff, and I'll be your instructor for the semester. Just want to go over a couple of things before I show you how to access the course. So when you log into Blackboard, the only thing you'll need to do here is go and look at the syllabus course information. And let's go through that here just real briefly. You can also find my contact information here under faculty information. And I apologize for the angle on this. I'm sitting on a couch. So, sorry. In the syllabus, if it will pull up, here we go. So this is U.S. History. We will go to 1876, which means we will go through the period of Reconstruction. My office hours are not very time, so always give me an email or a phone call if you need to come by and see me or want to talk to me. I know all of you guys are in high school, but you're always free to come by the campus and visit if you need to. So what do you need for the course? You need access to Globalyceum, and you need this access code right here. And that's how you will get access to Globalyceum. Throughout this course, you will take quizzes, you will complete activity assignments, and you will also complete critical thinking quizzes as well. I use a standard grading scale, and I typically grade things within 1 week of you submitting them. And throughout the semester, you'll be able to check into Globalyceum for your grade. If you miss a deadline, I don't accept late work. I have a typo here. This is not a summer course. This is a regular semester course, but even if you miss something, I do not accept late work. You've got plenty of time to do the work, and there are a lot of assignments that you can do throughout the course. There's no extra credit, again, because there's plenty of assignments to make your grade in the course. Everything will be done through Globalyceum, so we will not use Blackboard for any of your course assignments. And that's the gist of the class itself. So, now let's look at Globalyceum. So when you go to Globalyceum, you're going to want to click on the sign up button, and it's going to ask you for your email address. And so you want to provide an email address that you can access, and then you're going to want to hit submit, and then you're going to get a link sent to your email account. Once there, if mine loads, you're going to see an email from support@Globalyceum. Excuse the mess. You want to click here on this link, and then once there, you're going to set up an account. And so you want to make sure and have a password that you can remember, and then you're going to confirm the password, and then you're going to put your first name and your last name. You can leave out the student ID. Now once you get to step 3, it's going to ask you for your unique section number code. This is something that's in the syllabus. So let's go back to the syllabus again, right here on page number 2. That is unique section number code. Once I put that in, you're going to want to redeem a bookstore code if you have one. At this point in time, you have not bought it, you are able to access Globalyceum for 2 weeks without a bookstore code, but at some point you will have to purchase one. And then you hit submit. See, I don't have a bookstore code, so I cannot log in. I don't have a bookstore code, so I want to hit submit. And here's the class. Again, you can pay now through PayPal, you can redeem your bookstore code, or you can use the grace period. So just I can show you what the class looks like. I'm going to use the grace period. And then there's the billing information. Once you get it all set up, you want to click on the course itself. I'm going to log out as me, the student, and log in as me, the instructor, and I will show you. So once you log into the course, you're going to see this above the top. So you click on week 1, Why Cross the Atlantic. The one thing about this course it can be a little daunting is you're going to see several quizzes each week, between 2 and 3, plus an activity and then an activity quiz or a critical thinking quiz. I don't do one large quiz each week or unit tests or midterms or final exams. I give you a reading and then I give you a 18 to 20 question quiz, typically 16 to 20 question quiz worth 1 point apiece. And you complete that work for the week. So I'm broken the units down, I've broken the chapters down by kind of smaller chunks. That should make it easier for you to study for a quiz and do well on those quizzes. And that's the reason there are so many in this. So you simply click the reading and you can read it, or if you click this button here,
Section 1. Why cross the
it will read it to you. And then once you are finished, you click the quiz and you take the quiz. And then that's pretty much it. Once you're through there, you can work on your activities each week. Your critical thinking is a short quiz over the activity that you did. And that's pretty much the course. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be glad to help you out. This is a pretty straightforward course. It's pretty easy to use this. Look forward to a great semester. Again, I'm here to help. Best wishes on your college course.